So this is how to set up the Hubdoc training. In admin files, IT and supplier and 0, you'll see Hubdoc training there. It may sound daft why I've put it in 0, but Hubdoc is a project of 0, so it is sitting in there. Within the folder, you'll see that I've got invoices that can be imported. Actually, I'm going to rename that to so the Travis one's the only thing to point out is there a bulk. Can't work out how to rename that. Rename that. I'm just going to put that as a bulk upload. Okay. Then you'll also find the bank import. So, add a new organisation. I'm going to call this Hubdoc dummy data and just start a trial. Just bash through the setup. We don't need any details. We'll register some VAT. I don't think it was. Skip the invoicing. No, skip this set because we don't want to add a no currency, default part of account, and in here I'm just going to add a bank account. Add it without a bank feed. Just call it current account. Other. Okay. I just for ease put the year before. Import a bank statement. Just drag and drop it. Why won't you let me do that? There we go. Map it in. And then that is done. Right, now we need to add Hubdoc, so we go to Hubdoc and set up, already have an account. Hubdoc dummy data and allow access. I'm just going to put my email, personal one. and create new organisation. And obviously we need to go into the settings, integrations, and publish tax data 20% and exempt expensive for the fact that we picked up that it doesn't do. Interesting, I can change the email in there, Claire. Right, so anyway, I'll shut up now. Yeah, it's all ready to do the training at that point.